Okay, thank you so much for joining. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, thank you. So my name is XYZ, and I have worked in my current organization as a ServiceNow developer from last 3.5 years. In this period, like I have worked on ServiceNow ITSM, service catalog integration, and also work on workflows and flow designer. Other than that, I have also worked on the script hands-on. I have scripting hands-on experience as well. I have also worked on virtual agents in this time. Yeah, so this was the basic short introduction about myself.
Okay, suppose there is a slow, like during a form load, there is a slowness you have witnessed. Okay, so how do you troubleshoot the slow form load performance? What
Okay,
all ways
so
you use to, troubleshoot this?
troubleshoot this face this issue while form
You
maybe
open an
user
incident
yeah
form, okay,
uh,
and you
yeah.
see the one form is taking a lot of time to load. What could be the causes and how you rectify it or solve it?
Okay, so maybe there are multiple BRs are running on the form load. That is one of the reason, or multiple UI policies are written and conditions are mishandled in this.
And suppose I ask you like the problem could be client side or server side. What do you think could be the most uh, latest one or most affected one, which will affect most?
Okay, so I guess in this scenario, it is the client side which is making this issue,
What
and
all things
maybe.
you have written? What all things you can write at client side so that the form loading issue persist or it may rise? Give me some examples.
Okay, so we should write asynchronous codes. Uh, to avoid and we should avoid using a glide record in client scripts. We should avoid like get reference method, and we should use glide ajax uh, to make the synchronous calls. Yeah, we make the asynchronous calls in glide ajax.
Okay.
Yeah,
Suppose you worked on both flow designer and workflow, right?
yeah.
So how would you decide which one you have to use? Like suppose there is a task which you can do by both ways, but how do you decide which one is the best suited there? Whether you should go
Okay, so
for
like
flow design or workflow.
okay, yeah. So decide like what to take on, like workflow or flow designer. Like if I need to establish a complex processes where SLA timers are required or such, so I will use workflow as that I can incorporate custom logic using scripts in it. Uh, in case where a low code or no code approach is needed, I will use flow designer. Also, also uh, in cases of integration, I can use Flow Designer, where we have like integration hub spokes. Yeah.
Okay. And how do you secure sensitive data in ServiceNow?
Okay. So to secure sensitive data in ServiceNow, primarily we can use ACL methods. There are some methods in ACL to incorporate security.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any other thing? Suppose there is a field
Mm,
which is holding some sensitive data. How do you secure that data? So the only one way, only ACL. Anything else which you can share?
I think data policies could be also used in this case, uh, like to standardize the data. integrity throughout our instance. Also, we can use query BRs also. Uh,
Okay. You know what
yeah.
are system properties?
System properties you are asking.
Right. Yeah.
So yes, I am aware about it. So like system property serves as a like a system flags, you can say, that could be checked in multiple areas throughoutly, like widgets or scriptings, like this. Yeah. So as it established some behavior. Yeah.
Any
Talking
best
about
practices? Any best practice you can share with respect to using system properties?
best practices for like using system properties.
Yes.
Uh, yeah, so I believe like the name should be intuitive. This is one of the like major thing which we should use and take care of.
Okay. Okay. How do
Yeah.
you prevent duplicate incidents from being created?
Okay, to prevent duplicate create of incident, let me think. Just give me a moment.
Sure, sure. Take your time.
Yeah. So while like when we want to avoid like creating duplicate of incidents, um, can, sorry, I'm not able to recall that right now.
No problem. After the interview, please check it out. Okay.
Yeah, sure, I will take care of that.
Have you configured any SLA?
Yes, I have configured SLA.
What kind of challenges you think could be there while configuring SLAs, or have you faced any challenge which you can share?
Yeah, so like while setting up for SLAs, like we have established like a proper start and stop conditions.
Mm-hmm.
So like a proper decision should be made if we want to use the retrospective pause function or not. Yeah, these are the yeah.
Okay. Have you worked on change management?
Yes, I have worked on change management,
Uh,
uh, but
can
from
you
the
tell
uh,
me what is
development
change model?
perspective, change model.
Yes.
So change model like the change model, like it decides the states of particular change type, we can say. There are like major types like normal, standard, and emergency change. Yeah, so they have their own stage models, like in which then in that they have like change approval policies. Yes.
Okay. You know what are service catalog variables? Can you tell me the
Yes.
table where these variables are stored? The value of these variables are stored.
Yeah, so the change you are asking about the variables in the catalog
Yeah,
items, right?
name of the table
Name of the
where
table,
these
yeah.
service catalog variable values are stored.
Okay, so I guess SC like underscore item underscore option. Yeah,
Okay, great. Okay,
yeah.
suppose I want to pass certain value of a variable, or let's say
Hmm.
any variable from client side to server side. How I can do that?
Okay. Okay, so like to pass a variable from client side to server side, Uh, One of the method we can use is using glide ajax. We can make a call from client scripts. Yeah.
Any other way?
Any other way? Primarily, we use glide ajax itself.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, other way. Uh, I'm not aware of.
Okay, no problem. Have you built any REST integration end to end?
Yes, I have worked on that. Uh,
Can you
yeah.
give me one example of it?
Yeah, so I have worked on like e-bounding integrations, like in which I have done a in integration e-bounding, for which I have used like unidirectional creation of integration. So in this integration, we have set a trigger like when assignment group changes to some XYZ group. So in this why business rules, we were calling that were REST messages, REST APIs.
Okay, so what is the purpose of this integration?
Yeah, so purpose of this integration is to like create the incidents in the another ServiceNow instance without logging into that instance.
Why it is so? Like,
Yeah.
is your company using two
So
instances?
they no, so they were providing some Microsoft services. So in the vendor's instance, we used to send this incidents,
Okay, okay.
like
It's
such as
only
MFA reset or any issues so anyone is facing. So we were getting those incidents, and in that case, whenever that incident is created, and we have set a trigger like when it is assigned to that particular group, we are sending that to that vendor's instance and creating those there.
but you said it is unidirectional, right?
Yeah.
But how you get the update once you, let's say you triggered and the incident is created, but
Yeah.
what is
So
happening
yeah.
at
So
their side?
so creation was unidirectional, but the updates were bidirectional. So we
Okay,
gave them put APIs, using which like they used to inject their updates into our system.
okay, yeah, obviously creation. Okay, I thought you were just creating for one time and then no updates. It's a bi-directional integration, by the way. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
What all type of authentication options are available in REST integration, and what all you have used?
Okay. So yeah. So talking about authentication,
Mhm.
there are basic authentication, authentication. So we have used basic authentication. I didn't get a chance to work on like auth 2.0. I also know that basic is not recommended. But the auth is auth is the best practice, as it sets the token, as it uses the token based practices.
Okay, sure. Tell me
Yeah.
about virtual agent, what it is and what it is doing.
So the virtual agents in ServiceNow, they are like a chatbot, which are used to like interact, which is a agent based system, you can say. It is a self service for employees. So in this case, what we configured, uh, the employees self-service for employees where like they can ask the common questions which they are getting, and get the service like on small issue by talking to live agents.
Okay, so how do you create topics there?
uh, to create a topic there, we have a designer module. So in the designer module, it is a conversational interface, and yeah.
Okay, just a minute. So what do you mean by NLU and how does it important with respect to virtual agent?
Okay, so NLU, it is like a natural level understanding, uh,
Okay.
natural language understanding, where getting the exact meaning of user prompts is very important. Uh, so
Give me one
NLU
example.
creates okay. So suppose like if user is saying uh, Outlook issue, he should be routed to the properly to the Outlook team, or Outlook form, you can say.
Okay. So, so what is the importance of NLU in virtual agent?
Uh, it basically uh, uh, get it is like getting a proper entity like of a user's returns in the main is the main purpose of that.
Okay. Uh, have you integrated Power BI with ServiceNow?
Yes, as I mentioned, I have integrated that.
So what extra advantages or benefits does it provide?
Okay, so the benefit is that the tool, Power BI, it is a visualization tool. Like we shows a visualization of data. So as the it used to create intuitive reports, pie charts, and graphs, so that the stakeholders can analyze the trend in the data. So yeah, and make the decisions accordingly.
So, like, tell me how it is different from performance analytics.
Performance analytics.
You know what is performance
Which is
analytics?
the out of the box. Yeah, 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 it is. Yeah.
Okay. Tell
So,
me the difference.
yeah, difference. Yeah. So, talking about the difference between performance analytics and the Power BI, like both are visualization tools only. Both shows us the data intuitively. But the uh, it PA, it is a timely. It is timely time short. Uh, um, of data, and Power BI only takes the static data, I guess.
Okay. 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 Great. Okay. Now, tell me anything or any issue which you handled in production, a kind of P1 or very urgent issue, anything you can recall.
Okay, so the issue talking about that, like recently there was an inbound action in our system, inbound action making the whole system very slow. It was affecting our whole system. So this was found that in health scan we found this issue. So
Okay.
that incident P2 was assigned to me.
Okay.
So in this case, like I found that in script the developer had used a GS sleep method that to add some delay. So that was
Okay.
not the best practice, and it was affecting the system. Yeah. So we pulled it back. Yeah.
So what new system you have applied?
Additionally, I create. Sorry, can you come again?
So how you fixed it? You removed it, but what extra you have added there? How you
Yeah.
fixed the script?
Okay, so fix that. For fixing that, I created same logic using gs.event scheduled method. This to add that delay as it was necessary.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
GS dot event queue.
Yeah.
So what is the purpose of this one? For delay only it is used.
Uh, Yeah, gs.event queue schedule I have used. Uh, it adds like an extra parameter to it, which is like we can give to add a delay.
Okay.
Then we can fire the script action script.
Okay, great. So what is your current role?
Currently, like I am working as a senior service now developer.
Yeah, what is the role? Like what basically you are dealing with? What is your current project?
Okay, so currently I'm working like as a developer, like I'm working in bi-weekly sprints implementation part. And right now we are setting an Salesforce integration, uh, where like the use case is to create cases at Salesforce side from our ServiceNow instance.
Okay, so what all technically you are using? How you are doing this integration?
Uh, so So in this project, I'm pretty new. Uh, just I have joined 3 months back. So we started with integration
Uh-huh.
recently, and other teams are working on the service catalog, uh, data imports, and other things. Discovery specifically.
Okay. Apart from ITSM, any other module you have tried?
No, only ITSM.
So uh, only ITSM you are working from last 3.5 years, right?
Yes.
So anything you want to try, maybe what you are focusing on future, what you want to do new,
Yeah, but actually, I
anything
didn't get a chance
of
to
your
work.
interest.
Yeah, so I want to work on like scoped applications which we have like HRSD or LSD. So I have interest in working in that and exploring those things.
So what you have explored, do you know the basics of HRST?
Yeah, so yes, I know the basics. Like it is a modules. It is a module like which centralizes the central as it is as a centralized tool around the human resource practices, we can
Okay.
say.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So I'm done with
Yeah.
the discussion. Anything you want to ask?
Mhm. Yeah. So I just wanted to know like the feedback on our interaction.
Yeah, your interaction and communication is fine. But some good examples are needed here. So whatever you have mentioned in the
Okay.
resume, please make sure you have good and real-time examples from your past experience,
Okay.
and try to learn more
Yeah.
modules because as your experience increases, people are expecting much more than ITSM at this moment. It's a very competitive
Yeah.
now world right now. Okay, so ITSM,
Okay.
then go with HRST. It's a very simple and kindly related to ITSM. After you are done with that, you can try ITOM, which is an evergreen, module, and it has lots and lots of
Yeah.
potential of getting a good job and good package going forward.
Yeah. Yeah. I will make
Okay?
sure I will go with that modules. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think we are done. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and thank you.
Yeah. All the best. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.